Okay, so if you're a Webflow user, you already know how amazing it is for building absolutely beautiful, visually stunning websites. But what if I told you that the very things that make your site so beautiful could also be secretly holding your business back? Yeah, that's the paradox we're going to unpack today. Look, you've probably poured hours, maybe even weeks, into getting that design just right. It's your digital masterpiece, right? But here's the question we all have to ask. Is that beautiful website actually fast enough to do its job? Is it converting visitors, or is it just a pretty face? And that right there brings us to what we call the Webflow speed paradox. It's this tricky situation where the coolest features in Webflow, the complex animations, those gorgeous high-resolution images, are the exact same things that can secretly tank your site's performance. So just how bad is a slow site? Well, it's not just a little annoying for your visitors. It's a huge problem that directly impacts your revenue. And when we say every millisecond matters, we're not exaggerating. The data is pretty clear on this one.
Think about this for a second. A staggering 53% of people on their phones will just leave. They'll abandon your website if it takes more than 3 seconds to load. 3 seconds! That's more than half of your potential customers gone before they even see all your hard work.
And for the people who do stick around, well, the news doesn't get much better. For every single extra second they have to wait for your page to load, your conversion rate can drop by an average of 7.1%. That's a direct hit to your sales every single second. Let's put some real money behind that number. What does that actually mean? For a typical mid-sized online business, a delay of just 2 seconds, that's it, can mean a potential loss of $329,000 in a year. That is a massive amount of money to be leaving on the table just because of a little bit of lag. Okay, so why does this happen, especially on a platform as powerful and as awesome as Webflow? Well, it almost always boils down to two main culprits, the two things at the very heart of this whole speed paradox. First up, you've got animation complexity. All those cool, rich, engaging animations that make your site feel alive and dynamic, they also demand a lot of processing power from your visitor's browser, which can slow things down. And second, the other big one is large asset sizes. We all want to use those stunning high-res images and videos, but they create really heavy pages that just take forever to download, especially if someone's on a spotty mobile connection. All right, I know this all sounds a little grim, but what if you didn't have to choose? What if you could solve this paradox and keep your incredible design and get that lightning-fast performance? Well, you can, and the answer is automation. The solution is something called automated optimization. You can think of it like an AI-powered mechanic for your website. It's a system that scans your site and automatically applies more than 15 different proven speed fixes. Things like compressing images, cleaning up code, smart caching, all of it without you having to do a single thing. And the best part? The process is unbelievably simple. All you have to do is add one single line of code to your Webflow project. That's it. From that moment on, the AI just takes over, and you can literally sit back and watch your performance scores start to climb in real time. When you compare this to the old way of doing things, it's just night and day. The manual way means hiring expensive developers, constant tweaking, and ongoing maintenance. The automated way, it's a genuine set-it-and-forget-it system. And because of that, it can deliver a way better return on your investment. So let's bring it all home. What does this actually mean for you as a Webflow designer or developer? Let's talk about the real, tangible results you can actually expect to see. So here's the key number. Specifically for sites built on Webflow, automated solutions like this achieve on average a 1.25 times increase in their overall page speed score. That's not just a tiny bump. That's a really significant leap in performance that you and your customers will actually feel. And that really gets to the heart of it all. The whole point is to take this technical headache off your plate. You can stop messing around with complicated plugins or trying to manage expensive developers. You get to focus on what you do best, designing amazing things for your business, and just let the system handle the speed automatically.
So, we want to leave you with this one last question. It's time to take a really honest look at that beautiful website you've built and just ask yourself, is my design helping my business grow, or is its slowness secretly holding it back, costing me customers every single day? The answer might just be the key to unlocking your site's true potential.